to make you the presenter, Tracy. So you feel free to share your screen and to unmute yourself. So last up, we've got Tracy Whiteside, who's one of the AOE coaches. And Tracy's got something very, very cool, I think, to share with you, all about social media and how you can optimize social media. Now, I can see that we can see your screen, Tracy, but so far you are still muted, so we can't hear you. So unmute yourself at your leisure. There you go.
Okay, you can hear me now.
Hello, hon. How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
Good, thank you. Thanks so much for this. So what are you going to share with us, Trace?
So I just wanted to show you quickly. It's just on a simple Word document, because if I try to go live, I know I'm not going to be able to find what I want. So I put some stuff on a Word document, and it's all about just simply adding a Linktree link into your Instagram bio area. So for those of you, you can see my Word document okay?
Yes.
All right, cool. So I'll just go through that. So that top part there is what the Linktree link will look like. So it's just Linktree / and then whatever your Instagram handle brand name is will go there. Now, to do this, it's actually a free tool, and it just sort of acts as a bit of a landing page and coordinates many different links that you want to perhaps send your followers to. So normally on Instagram, you only get access to like one link, which most people would put their website in there. So this particular link acts as like an in-between link to then send more, and I'll show you a couple of images in a second. So there are actually alternatives that I've listed there. I haven't used any of them, but I believe they all do a very similar thing. There is a paid version also of Linktree, which is just something like $6 a month that you get some added benefits to. And again, I haven't had the need to look at the paid version. This does just what I needed it to do. So it's one of the oldest, but also the most popular link in bio tools around at the moment. So basically, it allows you to create this free landing page, and all the landing pages just shows you all the different links that you want to put in there. So it can be your Amazon page, it can be your website, and even with your website, you can specify either the about us page, or you can send them to a blogging page. You can put whatever URL links you want in there, and it just neatens the whole thing up and allows you to put as many links. It's unlimited. The free version is unlimited links in there. You could even, I suppose, send them to an ebook if you've got that like in the back end of your website as another URL page and your URL link there. So it just makes it all look really good. Now, I'll just show you what it looks like. So here, this is one that doesn't have it. Looks a little bit messy. They've just got the one link. I'm not too sure where that is sending to. Looks like some kind of blogging page, some kind of editorial stuff in there. So that is basically where your link tree will go. So it's like the one link website area that you go there, and it is in the actual website field that you'll put the link tree URL in. Just going back up there, that's the Linktree website there, and you just follow the prompts and set up your, like I say, set up your Linktree account for free. Put in whatever URL.
I've posted the URL for that in the chat as well for everybody, as well as the URL for my Linktree, so you can see, you get a kind of visual so you can see, follow along with
So
Tracy.
this is a visual of what it does look like. So there's the link tree there, / and then this is the Instagram brand name. Okay, so that's the website field there, and they've just put in their Linktree URL. So when somebody clicks on that, you get something like this. You can format it whatever color you want, and the free version, like I say, has got unlimited links in there, so you can add all of this stuff. They've got a website there, they've got the Facebook, a couple of different shops there, Pinterest account, YouTube account. So when they click on the Linktree link, Linktree links, a bit of a mouthful, this is what you get. So like I say, it just tidies it up. It allows us to send any of our followers to whatever page, whatever link we want to send them to. The free package also shows you the view count. So you'll see this when you log into your Linktree account. It'll have the number of views there. Just gives you an idea of how many people. And of course, when you're doing a promo and stuff, you'll be able to keep an eye on that number there to see if they can start going up and stuff, and see whether it's useful. And this is just another example here. So they've got their Linktree and a few more different kinds of ones. They've got the Etsy shop there. There's the Amazon storefront one. They've obviously got their own online shop there, and different codes that they're offering in there. You can put that on one of the links as well. They've got another one here. The different shops. So they've got the surf shop there. They've got the country shop there. So that's something else you can also add onto the links. You can put whatever description you like on there. So that's it, basically. Just tidy up your Instagram bio, put the link in your website link, and add whatever links you want in there for your followers to go to.
That's fantastic. I will say as well that Instagram is a real bonus place to be posting about your Amazon products. There's a lot of traffic and a lot of sales to be made by using Instagram. And so this is a great trick from Tracy to weave all of that into your Instagram profile really, really seamlessly. It looks really professional. And as Tracy said, it gives you a real opportunity to promote a lot of different things that you're selling on your Amazon store or wherever it may be. Tracy, massive thanks for that. That's really, really cool. I'm sure I only just found out about Linktree myself. Victoria Ewan set my Instagram page up for me and did a bloody awesome job of it, and she set up on my Linktree, and yeah, it's been really, really great. So yeah, this is very timely, Tracy. Thank you for that.
Not a problem.
All right, I'm going to make myself the presenter again. Let's have a quick look, see. There we go. Show this window, yes. If you are not already following me on Instagram and you want to see what I do on Instagram, then I'll put the link in the chat. Huge thank you for everybody that's joined me tonight. So Kate for awesomeness, and Niraj, and of course Tracy as well. Massive thanks to you guys for joining me on the call tonight. And a massive thanks for you guys for being in AOE, the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Christmas is coming up. Exciting times for us Amazon entrepreneurs selling up until Christmas, and I will speak to you very, very soon. Same time, same place, next Monday. Until then, have a great one.
Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie online entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.